Hi guys, here we tell you 7 beautiful types of macaws. Number 1. Blue and yellow macaws. This macaw with its blue and yellow feathers is a common sight in South America's rainforest. Number 2. Scarlet macaw. Known for its striking red, yellow and blue plumage. These large parrots are native to South America. Number 3. Golden Kinor. Also known as the golden parakeet, its bright yellow plumage and intelligent expression make it captivating. They are native to northern Brazil. Number 4. Hyacinth macaw. The largest of the macaw species. Their cobalt blue feathers make them a sight to behold. They inhabit South America. Number 4. Rainbow lorikeet. These Australian parrots exhibit a rainbow of colors including green, yellow, orange and red. Number 6. Sun parakeet. Vibrant yellow and orange plumage characterize these small parrots. Are native to northeastern South America. Number 7. Eclectic parrots. The male and female of these species showcase differences in colors. Male are bright green, while female are vibrant red and purple in colors.